slow down a little bit. When you get going, especially faster, more important to wipe, so they wipe a bit more, so the speed and rain sensitive. Cool, but with the flow. But let's think about this lorry. What should we do with him now?
Get it now.
Okay.
You know,
It's then more risky, yes, exactly. Did well. What should we do with the lorry now? What does that say on the floor? Perfect.
Not going to be a lot faster.
Good shout, mate.
I can't see any lights.
Work it out by the flow. Yeah, work it out by brake lights as well. Like this silver one to your right. Who's that blocking? What if someone from this road to our left wanted to turn right at the lights?
Yeah.
They've then made it massively, massively awkward and difficult, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. It wouldn't even surprise me if one of these vans, see this van with the trailer, if they pull in there. Good. We're now going to manage this lorry as well. Put it in first gear.
Trying to get her.
Okay. You can wait. Yeah. It's as simple as that. So be ready to sound your horn if he starts to move. Yeah. Move with the flow. Good. Move with the flow and sound your horn now. Keep going. Good. Second gear. Good. Sound your horn again. And then settle. Perfect. And that's a perfect balance with not getting bullied, but being safe and being in command of it. Were you still ready? What should we do with this, mate? Now that one's pulled in, especially with this guy behind, who we know is a bit of a pusher. However, I think his reaction with the double beep was okay. I think he was just saying, I'm onto it, I know you're there. I thought that was perfect from the lorry driver in the end, but it was just important to show a little bit of room and space. Yeah? Good.